Kitchen vocabulary: apron, blender, bottle opener, bowl, butter knife, cake slicer, chopsticks, cleaver, colander, corkscrew, cutlery, cutting board, deep fryer, egg slicer, fork, funnel, garlic crusher, hot pot, jar, juicer, jug, kettle, kitchen scissors, kitchen towel, knife, ladle, lemon squeezer, matchbox, microwave, mixer, mortar, napkin, oven, oven gloves, pan, peeler, perforated spoon, pestle, pizza cutter, plate, potato masher, pressure cooker, refrigerator, rolling pin, serving bowl, sieve, spatula, spice box, steak hammer, teaspoon, thermos, toaster, tongs, tray, whisk, wok, wooden spoon, dish rack, grater,